Show respect. It is important for parents to treat each other with respect, especially in front of their children. When a person disrespects their spouse in front of their children, it will only cause the children to lose respect for both parents. In fact, a child will even adopt this attitude and disrespect others in the same way their parents disrespect each other. In addition, parents should not criticize other relatives in front of their children, as this will cause their children to lose respect for their relatives. It is extremely difficult to uphold the ties and rights of relatives when one has little respect for them. Unfortunately, this is an aspect of raising pious children, often overlooked by parents, especially Asian parents. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.